Hey, we got some Instagram swipe files for you to use for your Instagram stories and also to create a poll. So here you can see for Halloween, it's where are the best places to buy Halloween candy? It's a great image. We got this in the mastermind group for you to download. I'm going to show that to you in a minute. And then there's a second image that is more blank on the bottom where you can add a poll. In this case, we're going to find out where are people buying Halloween candy. So I'm going to show you how to add a poll, how to add the responses so it's applicable for your area, so that you can get more engagement from your social media. So awesome post right there. Let's move the phone away and let's actually bring over a quick video where I'm also screen sharing my phone from a little bit earlier. And let me show you the images first. They're in the mastermind group and you're going to see here's image number 1. All you got to do is just click on it, save image as, and that'll be image number 1 for your story. And then the second image in the story will be this one. So again, here, click save image as. Now save it to your phone. So if you save it to your laptop, send it to yourself on the phone, or just do this from the phone. So now you got the 2 images on your phone. And then from there, open up Instagram, go to stories. So we're going to do a story here, and it's going to be 2 images back to back. So story number 1 will be this image that we're looking at. So I'll play the video. So again, go to post, make sure you select story. From there, select the image. So that one there. Click to add music. So you'll see a little music. Type in Halloween. The one I'm going to show here is actually a good one. And then just post it. So let's get that to your stories. And then you're going to take the second image, this one here, post it, add music again, just like you see here. And now here, let me back up a little bit. Do you see this right here? It's like a little sticky face, right? Click that to access the poll. So you tap that with your finger on your phone, bring up here. Now you see the poll is right lower center, link poll. So right there above hashtag is poll. Tap that with your finger. You'll be able to ask a question. Now I got the question and the responses. I'll show that to you in a minute. Or you can see here what I'm doing. So all I'm typing for the question is, where are you buying Halloween candy this year? So whatever. Then for the responses, just type in there. So I put Walmart, Target, put in a local place. If you can put in a local place, that would be awesome as well. Then you see here, I got other. So I got a great image. I got a great music. I got a little poll here that I'm engaged people with. Now we're coming out with a lot more of these swipe packs for you. They're all going to be 2 images that you can use in a similar fashion, and then get that story out. And now you got a story. Here's the actual story. So image number 1, image number 2 with the poll. You got great music. It's going to be awesome. So if you have any questions on that, let me know. But you're also going to see we got some more good ones for you. So we got things for your listings coming, for the PDF guides, for the different email blasts that we're coming out with, like the email blast that we did where we're showing to the home sellers that 23% we're down 23% from pre-pandemic on listings. And so we got the email blast in your account ready for you to use. And we got a Instagram story swipe file for that as well, where we got the image, just like you saw here, right? The first image, and then we'll have a second image where you can add a poll to that. So anyways, you're going to see a lot more of that. So get ready for it. If you have any questions on this one, let me know. We got more Halloween stuff coming, so you can have a lot of fun, beautiful images. Going to be a great time to engage more people throughout the holiday season. So if you have any questions, let me know. We'll talk to you soon.